In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Harvard University Online Portal. Logging into the Harvard University Online Portal is essential for accessing the vast resources and services available to students. Whether you're a new student or a returning one, knowing how to properly access the portal is crucial for a smooth educational experience. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you are comfortable using. Once your browser is open, you'll need to navigate to a specific URL. While it might seem lengthy, it's important to type it in correctly to ensure you end up on the right page. The URL you want to enter is login.harvard.edu/apps/harvardcastprod111 xk1t cwv3zzcij&t vf1d8sso/sml. Once you've carefully entered this web address, press enter on your keyboard, and this will direct you to the official Harvard University login page. At this point, you will see a login screen that asks for your credentials. This includes your Harvard username and password. These are the same credentials you use for other Harvard services and are unique to you. If you haven't yet received your login information or have forgotten it, you should contact Harvard's IT support for assistance before proceeding. Now go ahead and type your username into the designated field. Ensure that there are no typos and that you are using the correct combination of letters and numbers if applicable. Following this, move on to the password field. It's crucial to enter your password with accuracy. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so double check that the caps lock on your keyboard is not inadvertently turned on and that you're inputting the correct sequence of characters. Once both the username and password have been correctly entered, click on the Verify or Login button, whatever the portal label may be. This action submits your credentials for authentication. The system will verify your details, and provided everything is correct, you'll be successfully logged into the Harvard University online portal. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are now inside the portal and can access the multitude of resources, tools, and services provided by Harvard University. If you encounter any issues during this process or receive an error message, it's worth checking that you've entered your login information correctly. Sometimes small mistakes in typing can be the culprit. Should problems persist, consider reaching out to Harvard IT support for further troubleshooting. They should be able to assist in ensuring your access to the portal is restored or maintained. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your educational journey with ease.